that middle-aged Joburg women are just not seeing results from facials.
From what I can pick up, people are going for facials just to have a relaxed time, like 40 minutes to yourself with nice classical music, no one disturbing you, no kids around, no husband around. They actually do not properly investigate what is actually on whatever they're using on their face.
Which is fair enough. That should be our job, right?
That's so true. It definitely should be our job. So when they go for facials, they go for just relaxing. They don't know that there's actually facials that are actually treatments that can actually heal your skin and make your skin look far much better than you can expect.
Which is actually unfair of the therapist, because when you go to a doctor, you don't go there to tell them what you want. When you go to a therapist, you don't tell them what you want. They should tell you what you need.
That's very true.
And that's what we do here. We don't do that. I mean, how many times has clients come in and be like, I want this? And we're like, sorry dear, but it's just not happening. Your skin's not there. We have to work out, you know?
Yeah, that's very true. Different times, clients come in, they have no clue what exactly they want. They just want 1, 2, 3 that they saw from Cindy or anyone else.
Yeah.
So we educate them and let them know about our facials, basically our treatments, because it's not just for you to relax, but we are also treating you.
Yeah, 100%. So the treatment is first, and relaxation is a nice sidebar, which I mean everyone gets here. I mean, I can't tell you how many compliments I've gotten on your magic hands. But the more important thing for me are the results. You've got teenagers acne free, you've got a middle-aged woman, which is actually our specialty, wrinkle free. And the thing is that what I love about when people come in here, they're never going to receive the same treatment ever again, you know? We've got so many different topical creams that we use and ingredients, and we treat what we see at the time.
Yes. So say for instance someone was 45 and comes in, they've got an inflamed skin, and someone who's 50 comes in, they don't have an inflamed skin. Trust us, we are not doing the same treatment on both of them. It's two different complete that we are actually going to do, because we are actually making sure that both of them are actually treated differently with the conditions that they actually are suffering from.
That's right, because we treat the cause. A lot of other spas and clinics and aesthetic clinics treat symptoms. And we see it often, because what happens when you treat the symptom is you get that rebound effect. As soon as you stop using that ingredient, your skin is worse than when you started. And that's because they've treated the symptom. It's like when you have a cut and we just put a plaster on. The plaster is not stopping the bleeding, it's not making you heal, it's your body. So we being the body, and we making those things happen from the inside out. And that's why sometimes our treatments do take a bit longer, but at the end of the day, your results are incomparable.
Okay. Also, one of the questions we normally get is, how would I treat my hyperpigmentation, because a lot of women suffer from that. So I'll give you an example of a scenario where we had a client of ours who had that. So instead of us treating or making the pigmentation lighter, meaning giving you results in plus minus, let's say 20, 25 days, we actually treated the actual condition from inside before we treated the outside area. So we always tell our clients that before it gets better, it might get worse. So it depends. It depends on skin types and the condition. So high pigmentation normally will come out before it actually completely disappears, because what we use does not bleach the skin. It works from inside out. So your skin is healthier inside, and then it will be healthier outside.
Which is also means we're not going to get that rebound effect. So once we've treated the cause, you treat it, you know?
Yeah.
So, I mean, skin is a constant treatment every day, because there's so many harsh realities. In Joburg alone, if you just walk outside your door, you're already exposed to toxins. So your skin's already absorbed that. So every day we do have to help and treat our skin. Every time you eat sugar, every time you don't exercise, which we're human. How often does it happen? Most of the time. So we do have to just look after our skin. But also, what's nice about us is also the home care, how you plan the home care for individual people. It's not the same home care for everyone, and it's so simple. We like a maximum of 3, maybe 4 products at once. Nothing like, I mean, we've had patients who come in here with 20 products.
It's not complicated. It's just a 3-way step or 4-way step. Depends on what the client is comfortable with. So we recommend whatever is perfect that we feel is for your skin at that current moment. One thing I love about our home products, we won't give you the same thing over and over again. So we will actually keep on changing it as well, just to treat whatever individual issue you have with your skin. So it's less complicated. It's just wash, medicine, and your cream. That's it. That's it.
And that's also what I love about us, is that we truly understand the skin, you know. The fact that we don't give you the same home treatment every month shows just how much we understand the skin. If you keep having the same thing on your skin's eventually going to get used to it and be like, it's not working anymore. Which is what a lot of our patients say. You know?
Yes.
We've used this for years, and now it's not working anymore. And it's like, yeah, obviously
it used to be great, but it's no longer great. Or all these questions.
Yeah.
I used it for 20 years, but it's not working anymore. That's because it's gotten used to your skin. That's why it's not working anymore.
Yeah.
Maybe there's something different now with the skin.
100%.
You need something completely different to elevate the skin again.
100%. And I think also that's what makes us so unique, is that we treat the cause, we truly understand the cause, so that we can make that treatment, you know, smooth from with us to home, to back. We don't overtreat, we don't undertreat. We just give you the exact right amount to get your results without harming your skin, you know, and be honest and ethical, which a lot of spas are just there to make money.
That's true, very true. So we've also gotten questions about your dull skin, aging skin as well. And
Remember that patient that came the other day with the aging skin?
yes, we also treat that, and she looks incredibly great at the current moment.
Yeah,
she's been with us for 6 months almost.
In such a short amount of time, 6 months.
Yes, but she looks incredibly great, like she's done some sort of
I even
anti-aging
asked her if she
injection.
got Botox from someone else, because she looked so good.
Yes,
I
so,
couldn't believe it.
so we actually cater for that as well.
Yeah.
Because people, the older you get, obviously the more dull the skin is, because we are living in Joburg after all, and everything else, collagen or everything else goes. So we treat those kind of things. I mean, our client looks incredibly great. It's like she did some sort of
Really
anti-aging.
looks.
So with our home care products as well as our facials every month, best believe we can get the best results.
Proper. I mean, she looks incredible. But all our patients do, that's the honest truth.
That's the truth.
Yeah.
That's the truth.
I mean, I'm there as the doctor to help and guide. You there as the skin therapist to get the best of both worlds.
That's very true.
So I think, yeah, I personally wouldn't go anywhere else.
True, me too.
God.
Okay.